just getting that perfect shot. Hello and welcome to a beautiful setting, but welcome also to a quick look at the all-new Huawei Nova 12i. This is a device that doesn't break the bank, yet packs some seriously powerful internals. On the outside, you'll notice its gorgeous slim profile, as well as the vibrant striking color. I have this vibrant green edition. You also get it in a deep black. It's got an almost glittery effect, really is dazzling to the eye. What you also notice is how incredibly slim and premium it feels in the hand. You got your USB-C port, you got your fingerprint reader here for maximum security, and over on the front, well, this, a bright 6.7-inch AOD full HD display. It looks fantastic in the hand. It does a great job of displaying everything with near no bezels at all, and it packs some impressive internals. We're talking about photography here, from a 108 megapixel camera with a 2 megapixel near sensor, as well as the forward-facing one for full HD video calling as well as selfies. We're talking 256 gigs of built-in memory, and we're also talking 8 gigs of RAM. What it also packages is, well, a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. So that gives you easily all-day battery use, if not more, as well as 40 watt super fast charge to get you from 0 to 80% in near no time. With its impressive display as well as its pin-sharp camera, the impressive amount of memory in here, and running Huawei's EMUI 14, you're getting a striking looking, stunning device which is quick to the touch but also sharp in terms of performance. So to sum it up, if you're looking for one device that's a master at photography, looks the part, has a striking display, gets you through the day and doesn't break the bank, welcome to this, the Huawei Nova 12i.
Let me show you, let me show you. Look.